Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm really excited to show you a canvas that I purchased on Amazon. Here's the plot twist. I purchased it in the beginning of last year. Went through my stash and I was able to find the two canvases I have bought of this wonderful company called, I'm not kidding, Moyface. I believe that's how it's pronounced. And the little box has a cute little kind of just happy diamond just walking, giving you a peace sign. And I found out about this wonderful little company on Amazon through another diamond painter that they showed a completion of the canvas. And it was just really, really pretty. So I picked it up and I wanted to try it. As I stated, I put it away in the back of my stash. Pretty much what I always do. And I was able to locate them. As I stated, I purchased two. This one is Sunflower Field, and it's just a wonderful field of sunflowers. The other canvas I purchased is a Poppy Field, and mostly because I love canvases that have fields of flowers. It's like my favorite. Lavender fields are my favorite, so every now I have a Diamondarts with that kind of design, so if I can find any other company that has those, I'm just a happy camper. So the wonderful box is really sturdy. In the back, it includes all the information about, especially when you're new to diamond painting. And yeah, that's just the label Amazon puts. But I love that on the side it has an image of the wonderful canvas. So this is actually how I received it from Amazon. Of course, in an Amazon box, I always make sure to have them delivered in that style. Mostly just in case my package ends up following in a really odd spot. The way the front of my apartment is, yeah, it has like a dip, so sometimes the boxes slip in and it's a whole ordeal. And so let me just get everything out real quick. I've never opened one of these before. I just seen, as I stated, another diamond painter show a completion of the canvas, not unboxing it or anything. I was going to say this canvas is budget friendly. It kind of is, it kind of isn't. I actually looked up the cost of it from my original order. This wonderful canvas was around a little bit over $25. So I don't know if to call it budget friendly. Okay, maybe. Maybe. Oh my goodness, it is bigger than I thought. Oh, this is so pretty. Actually, I'm going to roll it the opposite way. I believe, yeah, it's poured glue. I always double check. I know usually double adhesive has the wonderful white paper that holds it down. So I know that's how those canvases have. I'm sorry, those canvases are. I just wanted to check. I wanted to check anyway, just to be careful. And whoo, perfect. It actually, I rolled it the opposite way. It actually helped it really nicely. Oh, and this is a round diamond canvas as well. I really forgot. I'm not sure if I remember if it had squares, but I'd seen the completion in a round and I really wanted to pick it up. It is so pretty. As y'all can see, a wonderful field of large sunflowers. Off in the distance, just a whole bunch of other sunflowers. I just love sunflowers. I didn't notice it came with a toolkit, so that's really neat. I love when companies do that, because not all diamond painters, especially if you're new to the craft, have their own accessories. I didn't when I first started diamond painting. So I would just use whatever came with the canvas. Unfortunately, my first little budget-friendly canvas, when I started diamond painting, did have one. So, yay, thank you, budget-friendlies. Oh my goodness, it has a lot of accessories. So it has two of your standard pens and one little cushion for the grip. I can never put those in. I love that it has two pens. This is really neat. And I'm going to... Oh no, there's two of them. Here's the other one. It has two wonderful itty bitty trays. Oh my goodness, I love these trays. And a bag of resealable baggies. And a nice little container of our wonderful pink wax. And it includes... Whoop, I thought I had three. Oh, it is three. No, it's really two pads of really thick wax. Oh, I love that. Actually, this is such a cute container. I like it. What I'm thinking is, I think this is meant to be also painted with a friend. As you can see, there you go. I didn't notice that, so I think that's really, really cool. I really like that. Of course, I am but a lonely diamond painter. I'm going to paint it by myself. That's all right. That's all I got. And yeah, I just love that it came with a toolkit, so I think that's neat. Or sorry, that's really neat. So let's go through the canvas. You know what? I think it is a budget friendly. And when I checked to see if it's in stock, this painting was actually, it states it was discontinued, but the company does sell other canvases. The poppy field one I bought, they still have it, but it's out of stock. Just to let y'all know, in case you're curious about the canvas and everything about this one, I will put in description below if maybe down the line the company decides to bring it back. I hope so. It's so cute. So the wonderful canvas is really, really nice. The back is really velvety soft. Big fan of that. And the edges are scalloped and poked. To me, it makes it think kind of a little premium painting. A bit. And apologies. I'm watching a kitten. Well, I have a kitten right now. And I think I woke it up. Give me one moment. Sorry about that. Got him to settle down a bit, so we should be good. So the wonderful canvas, as I stated, it feels a little premium to me. It has two legends, one here in the lower bottom right and one in the upper left. And this wonderful canvas has 24 colors, and I don't believe it has any special diamonds. They all have the standard DMC code. The wonderful cover on the drill field is actually kind of thick, and the stick on it, ooh, is sturdy as well. I really love this canvas. On top, it just says diamond picture. I love that. And on the lower left corner, it has a wonderful thumbprint of the image and all the information about the canvas. And this wonderful canvas is 61 by 40.5 centimeters. So, yeah, it's pretty long. It has a model number as well, C01657. I really like it. Oh! And on the bottom right, it says, kind of has some tips on what you can do for diamond painting. I like this one. I've seen it before. It's good to start from the right side to avoid sticking hands and elbows. I agree with that because I do that a lot. And yeah, it's such a pretty, beautiful image of the sunflower fields. Kind of in the higher fields. You can see them in the distance. And all over the place. I know I had to keep moving it up and down, so I'm going to try to get a clear image. And I'll put it here in the middle of the field. It's a little longer than I thought, but it's not as tall. So I know I wouldn't have any issues painting this on my desk. I really like it. So let's look quickly at the diamonds. The diamonds do make me think of budget friendly. Every time I see this kind of style with these kind of fonts, this quality of bag. But that's just me. I love that as the model number on the diamonds too. So in case you're putting the diamonds and the painting somewhere else, they can always find each other. As you all saw, I do keep it in the box, and I'm not too sure when I'll be able to start this painting. But now that I'm seeing it in person, it's so pretty. Oh, I really like it. And this is the wonderful little mini cinnamon roll. Oh my goodness, I love this palette. Of course, it's a lot of yellow, a lot of orange. This wonderful kind of salmon color. Oh, I really like that. That is really, really pretty. I love that light blue. I believe it belongs to the sky. So let me see if I can go through the diamonds. They actually have the DMC number on them. Oh, that is really neat. I usually don't see that in this style of strip. They usually have the identifier as the legend, but not the DMC. Oh my goodness, I love this yellow. So the first color is 321. Next color is 2 packets of 444. Oh, that is such a pretty yellow. Next color is 445, 472, 520. Oh, that's a pretty dark green. 606, 726, and 734. Oh, that is such a pretty kind of off green. I don't know how to describe it. And for the next color, it is 741, and it's 2 packets of this beautiful orange color. Ooh, I like that. 775, 834, 905, 906, 907. Oh, I love how they're all in order. 918, 937, and 946. Oh my goodness, that was a large packet of kind of, well, burnt orange is the closest color I can think of. And finally, the last strip. I really do want to kit this up though, but oh my goodness, I need to stop that habit. Next color is 3325, 3371, 3755, 3829, 3841. Oh, I love that light blue. 3852, and finally 5200. I don't get this color a lot. I love this white, but I don't usually get 5200. Well, I really like it. I believe these diamonds are acrylic because I see the little dips in the back of the diamonds. But I'm not picky at all. I just love diamonds. As long as I can stick them on a painting, I'm not complaining. And oh my goodness, this is such a pretty palette. It really is. And I'm curious about the legend though, because it did not come with a label sheet as you all saw. It's just the diamonds, a till kit, and the canvas. No issues at all. I have a roll of blank labels, so when I do decide to kit up this wonderful canvas, I'm going to just probably draw the symbols and the numbers. I usually do that. So as I stated, this wonderful canvas has 24 colors, and all of their symbols are pretty much standard. So numbers 1 through 3 are numeric order. So 1 is 1, 2 is 2. Then it starts getting funny, because number 7 is 7, but number 6 is H. Number 9 is 9, and that's it. Yeah, they're just your standard symbols of capital letters, small letters, and plus, minus, equals, and all of that. I'm surprised there's no 310, so I'm really excited to start this. So I was curious what this dark section is in the center. Oh, 3371. Oh, that's a plot twist. I don't usually see that color a lot. This canvas is so pretty, and I really want to start on it. For 61 by 40.5 centimeters. I don't believe it is, because as you all can see, the border is really thick. I don't usually measure the canvases, but I am curious how large the actual drill field is. So let me pull my kitty cat roller. So let me start on one end and move it to the other. And it's actually, oh, it is 60. Oh, it's 60. Okay, and it states it's 61, so the border, let me see. Oh, interesting. So it's 60 centimeters, not inches. But for some reason it's saying 61 centimeters. I think it's just, oh, I think it might be because there's a teeny tiny little border around the edge of the canvas. Oh, that's neat. It's not sticky. Makes me think of Dreamer Designs. It has that wonderful little border there. So if you do not wish to put any washi tape, that little border has you covered. I really like that. Oh, the more and more I see this canvas, I think I might go pick up a couple from Amazon. And yeah, I'm really impressed by it. And uh-oh, I really want to kit it up. Actually, I'll put this on my list for my spring canvases I want to start, just to have it on the side. It's a small side project, and it's a round, so I'm a lot faster with the rounds. But this was super surprised me, and I was so happy to find it in my stash. I really wanted to box it for you all, and I'll find all the information I can for this canvas and for the company as well, because it is still on Amazon. It's just this canvas was discontinued. But I'll still try to find information. As I stated, I'll put it in the description below. Maybe these sunflowers are your cup of tea as well. Oh, I really like it. So cute. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. I can't help it. It's emoji time. A sunflower emoji. Because there are so many sunflowers. And mostly because they're cute. And I really like them. And it really allows me to know that you all have enjoyed this video. And that you were kind enough to watch it all the way to the end. Because these sunflowers are so cute. And again, thank you for your time. And have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.